Aloha Kauai, here's our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Friday, October 2nd. Happy Aloha Friday. We continue to have 2 active cases on Kauai which were previously reported. Both cases remain in isolation and have not required hospitalization. An additional 3 contacts of those cases are in quarantine. Our cumulative case count remains at 59. Our police department continues to monitor nearly 1,800 people who are in travel-related quarantine. A majority of those are Kauai residents who have traveled off-island and returned. For additional information, please visit the Kauai Emergency Management Agency website at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. As we've been discussing, the state is implementing a single test pre-travel program starting October 15th. Requiring mainland travelers to take a test 72 hours before their flight. We are not convinced that this program will provide enough protection given Kauai's unique health capacity needs. Additionally, it offers no equitable alternatives for our local inter-island travelers to shorten their 14-day mandatory quarantine, appearing to prioritize our visitors first. Last week, Thursday, September 24th, the County of Kauai sent our proposed Mayor's Emergency Rule 18 to the state administration. Again, due to Kauai's limited medical capacity and to protect the health of our community, our proposed pilot program under Mayor's Emergency Rule 18 would require all travelers, trans-Pacific and inter-island, who wish to avoid a full 14-day quarantine to take this COVID test no sooner than 72 hours after arrival to Kauai. This means all incoming travelers, local residents, and tourists would be treated equally and would quarantine for a minimum of 3 days before they have the opportunity to take a rapid COVID test here on island. The plan would be to utilize rapid tests with same-day results, and upon a negative test result, these travelers would be released from quarantine. We'd like to address public statements made by state officials raising issue with our proposal. In particular, we've heard is that we don't have enough testing capacity and this program would take away testing resources away from our local residents, or it would be inconvenient for visitors to have inconsistent arrival instructions by county. Our plan would rely on its own testing capacity. It will not draw upon traditional PCR testing capacity on island or statewide. Our county has secured 15,000 rapid molecular COVID-19 tests to be delivered early next week. The County of Kauai is committed to ensure the adequate rapid testing capacity is in place for the first few weeks of the program to get it up and running. But we anticipate that this additional requirement will open a new market on Kauai for rapid testing mechanisms. We're working with our healthcare and laboratory partners in order to provide this service to our visitors and returning residents. Kauai is ready to implement a post-arrival testing program on October 15th. We simply need the governor's authority to do so, and we eagerly await a response to our Rule 18 so we can move forward. If you have not yet registered to vote, the Elections Division of the Office of the County Clerk will hold drive-through voter registration services in the back parking area behind the historic County Annex building in Lihue. The registration tent will be open until 4 p.m. today, Friday, October 2nd, and 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday, October 5th. Please remain in your vehicle, wear a mask, and bring your own black or blue pen. Election Division staff will approach the vehicle with a voter registration application and clipboard. Voters can also register to vote or update their voter registration online at elections.hawaii.gov or by submitting a paper voter registration application to the Elections Division. The deadline to register to vote for the 2020 mail-in general election is October 5th, 2020. If you register after that date, you will not receive a ballot by mail and must appear in person at the Voter Service Center to cast a ballot. For additional information, please contact the Office of the County Clerk, Elections Division at 241-4800. The American Job Center on Monday, October 5th begins offering services for both job seekers and employers, including job search assistance, personal career planning services, training opportunities, and HireNet Hawaii support. The office is open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. weekdays at Halekokua in the Lihue Civic Center, Suite 302. Clients will be seen by appointment only. Call 274-3056 to reserve a time and date. Please wear a mask and sanitize hands before entering. Your temperature will be checked on arrival, and anyone with a fever will need to reschedule. Please also reschedule if you feel sick. The county's Kupa'a Rise to Work program has dozens of full-time and part-time jobs available for displaced workers. The program pays a competitive hourly salary and includes health insurance. If you're currently unemployed, please review the list of available jobs on our website, www.kauai4.com/rise to work. Click on the job list. It is updated each day with positions ranging from administrative assistants to accounting, cashiers to cooks, and website designers to welders. The list includes the job title, whom to contact, and other information. Good news! While the census officials have completed door-to-door canvassing, we understand that residents can still file your census forms online. Completing your census form is critically important to our community. Many federal programs, including school lunch help and food stamp assistance, rely on our population being counted. If our population is undercounted, money that could be going to us will be going somewhere else. If you or anyone you know has not yet filed the census form, please visit my2020census.gov and do it today. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Our County Committee on the Status of Women will illuminate the historic county building with pink lights, and we will have banners around the Lihue Civic Center. Residents are encouraged to wear pink this month in support of those with breast cancer and to remind women of the importance of early detection. That includes regular mammograms and monthly self-exams. Thank you, Kauai, for being responsible. Your diligence is helping us to keep this virus contained. We thank you for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask, if at all possible for you to do so. Remember, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. It's a sign of respect and aloha. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Be kind, take care of one another, God bless, and aloha.